All right, you guys, this is Bryce Green here with Big Kid Blocks, and I am excited to show you guys the kit that's going to start it all for you to wet your whistle as you get into the Big Kid Blocks game. So this kit is the 5-piece initiation kit. Obviously, it stands exactly for what the name is. You're getting initiated into the Big Kid Blocks, and it's going to give you a good idea of what Big Kid Blocks has to offer and the different handles and styles of blocks that we can make for you, and it'll really let you know what ones you like and the specifics with flexibility and hardness and all that stuff. So let me go ahead and introduce you guys to the blocks in this kit. So I'm going to start off with the 24-inch Moneymaker. This is one of my favorite blocks, extremely lightweight, 1/8-inch face here with the square tube on top. This gives it rigidity all the way through it, and you can kind of see it's got the slightest amount of flex with some force. So if you're working a big hood or a roof that's got just a slight amount of curve to it, this is going to be the blocks to do for that. This is also awesome if you're working the bottom of a rocker, because you can really get underneath there and still apply that pressure all the way through it. Now if you're going on to something that's going to be a little bit more curved or round, you've got the 18-inch universal. So you can kind of see here, it still is very rigid due to the 1/4-inch polycarbonate that it is, but with some force, you can get it to flex a little bit. And so if you're working, a quarter panel that's got some radius to it or anything like that, go ahead and jump on this. It's got the sphere handles that are really large on top, and so the ergonomics of this is just phenomenal. Anyway, you're not really going to be hurting your wrists or anything like that. Next we have the 11-inch Featherweight. So this is 1/8-inch polycarbonate, and it's extremely flexible. So this is really great if you guys are doing motorcycle tanks or VWs or anything that's got a lot of radius to it. This is going to be the block for it. Next up you have the 8-inch straight shooter. So nice big tube handle on top, 1/4-inch material here. This is not going to have any flex or give to it, so it's just going to get the job done. If you're kind of doing a smaller area, I would definitely recommend this block. And then we have the 5.5-inch rod block. This one is awesome for small areas on firewalls, door jambs, under hood panels, all that stuff. This is going to get you kind of that detail work that's going to be happening to it. So head over to bkblocks.com, get you guys the initiation kit. This is going to be a fantastic kit for you to then determine what blocks you want to continue to add to your collection. So thanks guys, and let us know if you have any questions.